Okay, so the thing I'm gonna share with you in this video is going to make a huge difference for you when it comes to landing clients. We see this mistake made all the time with new entrepreneurs where they don't have this one thing tweaked, feel like they're pulling teeth to make sales or they're running up against a brick wall. And if you've been feeling that way, you probably need to tweak this one thing. So what's this one tweak? Well, this is something that we work on with our Get Clients Now students all the time, because when they come into our program, they don't have this figured out. And so we spend a lot of time on this topic, and I thought I should probably turn this into a YouTube video. And so if you want to land more clients consistently, you need to get better at communicating the value you're providing. You need to get really, really good at explaining what they get when they buy. You need to get better at showing what's in it for them. Why should they buy from you? So I see these fluffy pitches where it just sounds nice, but is not clearly explaining the value. And if people don't understand what's in it for them, they won't buy. If they don't understand why they should give you their money, their often hard-earned money, they won't buy. Examples, okay? I got some I help statements that kind of really just show the difference, because I think it's a little bit of a nuance, but it's like the most important nuance out there. It's the nuance that either gets you a ton of clients or gets you no clients at all. This is why we work on this so much with my students in the Get Clients Now program, is I'll tweak this part, I'll help them with this thing, and they'll go from 2 clients, if that, to like 10 clients, like that. We see it all the time in the testimonials we share, and it's because we've tweaked this. So here's some examples. Example 1 is like, my offer is I'm gonna help you feel confident. I'm a confidence coach. Sounds nice, but this would be better. I help women feel confident so they can land more clients. Or my confidence package is all about helping you navigate the workforce as a woman so you can go get that raise. So I'm clearly explaining to them that what's in it for them is more money. It's not just to be confident for the sake of being confident. It's to be confident so you can get the things you want out of life. It's a tweak, right? You wouldn't think it makes that much difference, but the average person hearing, oh, I help people feel confident. Oh, I wish I was more confident. But I'm going to spend money on it? No, because I don't know what's in it for me, right? What's the return on investment? Another example. I help women find balance in their lives. So balance is something a lot of women need, right? We're working, we're mothers, we're trying to have relationships, trying to like look fit. So balance is a thing a lot of women need, but it's not specific enough. What about this? I help women find balance so they can have more time for what matters. All of a sudden now, it gives us an indication, okay, right now, I'm somebody who's feeling really strapped for time. I feel like I'm spending all my time on the wrong things. I feel like I don't get to spend enough time with my kids. I do need balance for what matters. Or if I don't do that, life's going to pass me by and I'm going to miss out on all blah, 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 right? And what this does, what this nuance does, what this tweak does, forces you to face the reality that your offer might need some tweaking so it's actually valuable. That's my nice way of saying you might not be getting clients because your current offer sucks. And I don't like to be the person that says that, but that's the reality. We do this a lot with our Get Clients Now students. They'll come in and they'll just have an offer that's close, but just not there. And so what we'll do with our Get Clients Now students is we'll take it from an offer that would really, really struggle to sell to an offer that's what we call an irresistible offer, right? So if you're not in the Get Clients Now program and you're struggling to sign clients, I would first highly advise that you at least check it out. It's amazing. It literally helps you get clients. So if you want to make it easy, you should check out the Get Clients Now program, but I want to give you some practical things you can implement now as well. You're going to start with the 7 reasons why people buy. So I actually got a list here. There's 7 reasons why people will buy. And what you need to do is figure out, why are your people buying? First one is people buy products out of necessity. We need soap, we go buy soap. We need deodorant, we go buy deodorant. Second reason why people buy is because they value convenience, right? This is why DoorDash is the company. It's just easier to get food delivered. Third reason people buy is for security and protection. That's why we have life insurance. That's why we have health insurance. Fourth reason people buy is FOMO, fear of missing out. That's why everything that's trendy is trendy. It's like the whole fast fashion. All of that plays to FOMO, or fear of missing out on trends or missing out on opportunities. Fifth reason is identity and belonging. And that wanting to be part of something is why people choose Apple over other products. I don't think Macs are better, objectively speaking, than other brands of computers. There's brands of computers that are just objectively better than Macs are. But I buy it because I like the identity around being a Mac owner. Sixth is getting a good deal or price. Store is having a deal, you buy it. And seventh is that we buy things to make us happy. Sometimes we just buy things because they light us up and there's no good reason for it, but it just makes us happy. So what you need to do is take a look at your current pitch and your current I help statement and get clear on why are your people buying from you? And then you need to ask yourself, am I articulating that? Well, I'll use myself as an example, right? I got my laptop here. For me, people buy for the second reason. They value convenience. I've spent 10 years mastering how to run an online business. I know so much about sales and so much about marketing and so much about running a profitable business that people pay me to join my coaching programs because they want the convenience of not having to figure that out by themselves. It would take you about 10 years to figure it out on your own. So they join my programs because they don't want to spend those 10 years. They want the convenience of it being faster. They want the convenience of learning what I've learned in a fraction of the time it took me to figure it all out. You need to tweak your offer in your pitch. What I recommend you do is print it off and read it with fresh eyes. So there's something about reading on a desktop, on a digital screen versus reading a printed off version that just makes a difference. Because I want you to print off your I help statement. I want you to print off your offer, and I want you to just look at it, go to the woods, like go to nature, get yourself totally out of your typical environment and just read it with fresh eyes. If you have to go to a coffee shop to get in a new environment, whatever you need to do to just create like a fresh start for you reading this and really think about, okay, if I was on the other side of this pitch, if I was on the other side of this I help statement, would I buy? Would I be interested? Would it speak to the value that I'm getting? And then the second thing that I would highly recommend you do is read it to a friend, somebody who doesn't know anything about what it is you do, who's not part of the industry at all, who will be able to, repeat it back to you and say, oh yeah, I totally get not only what you're doing, but why it's valuable. And I would pay for that. That's what you want, is the random friend that you've been friends with since high school or whatever it might be. You want them to give you that kind of feedback where I totally get it. I totally get the value. If I had that problem, I would totally pay to solve that problem. That's what you're looking for. Now, by the way, if you're a Get Clients Now student, if you're watching this and you're already part of our Get Clients Now community, what you should do is pitch your I help statement and pitch your offer. Just post it in our VIP lounge so that the coaches and myself, we can take a look at it and review it for you. If you're watching this and you're already a student of ours, let us coach you. That's what you're in the program for, right? So go post your offer to our VIP Facebook lounge. We'll help you. We'll actually give you feedback on it right away. If you're not a student of ours and you want to fast track your success, you should totally look into the Get Clients Now program. It's helped literally over thousands of students. Like I think we're close to 2,000 students now, which is mind blowing, but we've helped them get clients and it's got incredible reviews. We're going to put some on the screen here. It's just a really good program. It's built specifically for people who haven't yet had enough clients, who are looking to build up that consistent client base. So check it out by going to mariawendt.com/program, or you can click the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, found it eye-opening, hit that thumbs up button. It takes 2 seconds on your end. It actually really helps me put so much damn work into this YouTube channel. If you liked it, give it a like and be sure to subscribe to get all my videos on making money, learning how to run an online business, becoming successful online, and I'll see you in the next one.